Proper cleansing is essential for any skincare routine. By using the right cleanser, it's going to make your skin look more healthy, but it's also going to help get the maximum benefit of all the other treatments you're going to use afterwards. I formulated my AHA BHA Daily Cleansing Gel with a unique blend of multiple AHAs and BHAs, not just one single acid. That's the key. It also contains farnesol, which washes away bacteria and helps prevent breakouts. It thoroughly removes oil and dirt, even makeup and sunscreen, without ever damaging the moisture barrier, and it even balances your own skin's pH. It's good for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and it's even gentle enough to use around the eyes. This product contains no soap, no sulfates, no synthetic fragrances, and it's cruelty-free and it's vegan. We conducted a consumer satisfaction study, and I'm really proud to show you the results.